And when it comes to press-ons, oh baby, I'm that girl. I'ma wear my press-on nails. That's right. I'ma wear her.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Asia. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all is welcome. So happy you guys are here. Today I'm going to be doing a step-by-step how I actually slay my press-on nails. The first step I always like to do is prep my nails, which is pushing my cuticle back. So what you're seeing me using right now is Cuticle Oil, and that's from Sally Hansen. And then I'm going to take this wooden stick that's always inside my French kiss nails. So they always place a wooden stick, and depending on what type of nails you get from which person, they do have that in there, or maybe a plastic stick. It all depends, but this is just to push my cuticles back. And since I put the Sally Hansen's cuticle balm on my nails first on my cuticles, it just softened up my cuticles, so that way when you see me pushing them back, it don't hurt. And along with when I'm cutting my cuticles, it doesn't hurt, or I don't pull my skin too much or make it bleed. So that's just an important tip when doing your press-on nails. Make sure you use cuticle balm to push your cuticles back so to soften up your cuticles. And also it just helps along the process when you're cutting your cuticles. So that's what I'm doing, just pushing my cuticles back. So now I'm going to use my cuticle cutter, and I'm going to cut the cuticles off my pinky. So what I'm doing, I'm actually using the very tip of my cuticle cutter. I'm not using my whole cuticle cutter to cut my cuticle off. You want to be very gentle when you're doing this. Do not pull too hard. Don't pull too rough. Be gentle. You don't want to make yourself bleed, because if you make yourself bleed and then you want to apply forceps, it's not going to work. You're going to feel like something is bothering you. It's going to be a burning sensation. So please be careful when you're doing this step. So now what I'm doing, I'm repeating the same step that I did with my left hand. I'm just taking my cuticle balm again, and I'm placing it all around my cuticles so I could be able to push my cuticles back. Again, this just helps along the process when you're softening up your cuticles. So when you push them back and cut them, it'd be easy to cut. And pushing them back makes it way easier when you're cutting your cuticles. Key step to why my press-on nails look like I just left out the nail salon chair. But an initiative of the nail salon, they do not clean and prep your nails when getting full sets. Some nail salon does, some nail salon doesn't. But me, I like to make sure my nails are very much clean and precise and look fresh and nice. So every time when I'm applying new fresh press-on nails, I'm doing these initial steps to clean and prep my nails. So now I'm filing and buffing my nails. I file and buff my nails every single time. Why? Because your nails have oil on them. Your hands have oil in them. Your nail beds have oil, so you want to make sure you file and buff your nails. That way, when you're applying the glue onto your nail in the press-on, it can last and stay on. Yeah, I be so impressed when y'all ask me, girl, how long your nails last? Why my nails don't be working for me? How your press-ons look like that? How you don't got no air bubbles? Because I take the initiative time to clean and prep my nails the proper way. I file my nails down. I file the free edge down. I make sure my nails itself is always well kept before I'm applying press-ons on my hand. So make sure you file and buff your nails. Don't dust them off and then go wash your hand or put lotion on, because it's not going to work. The nails that we are using is Salon Perfect Modern French Nail Set. This is the black swerve. This is really a first impression. I saw them in Walmart and I was like, oh, she's fire. Normally, if I would have got this set at a nail salon, I would have paid $180. But baby girl, your girl been doing press-on nails for 3 years now. Very much proud, and never disappoint your girl. Never disappoint your girl. But I'm gonna just let y'all watch and see how good my nails came out, because she is fire. Okay. Once you're finished with your nails, make sure you want to apply some cuticle oil, because remember, we just got finished cleaning them and prepping them. We didn't want to apply the oil on right after we finished cleaning them, because we was going to apply our forceps on. But she's given 10 out of 10, and I absolutely love her. So this is the finished result. That is the nails, and that's the other set that I did pick up. But my nails are giving, okay? Because when it comes to press on nails wet, I'm gonna wear my press-ons. That's right. I'm gonna wear her. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Later, babes.
Don't take it personal.